How to fix screen lines on phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mr. and today I'll guide you know how you can fix screen lines on phone. Well, first things first, if you get a green line on your screen, then first is to check for software updates. Now software updates are your phone's defenses against known displays issues. So you want to simply go ahead and head into your settings. From settings, you want to scroll down and head into software update option. There you can tap on download and install and check for if there is any software update available. Now you can boot your phone or restart your phone and check if it is fixing the issue. If not, you might want to do a complete factory reset. Now if you don't want to do a complete factory reset, then you might want to consider internal damage and you want to go to the nearest station and check if there is an issue within the display and might want to change it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.